up, you guys? Welcome back with another video. Alright, y'all, we making chicken and shrimp scampi. We are in the kitchen. Like and comment and subscribe to my channel. I appreciate everybody that's like really like y'all like been watching me, you know what I'm saying? You know, I'm not used to people watching my stuff, but I really appreciate you guys for watching it, you know, taking your time out to watch it, comment, and, you know, subscribing. And I really appreciate for the ones who gave, you know, cash at me. If you have not cashed at me, my cash app is Chef BDB. Chef BDB. It's in the description below, and so is all my social medias. But anyways, let's get back into this kitchen. You already know what it is. Let's get it. Y'all, we in the kitchen. Y'all already know what it is. I'm gonna show you guys the ingredients, stuff that I use. First, you got your chicken that I already sliced up. You got some lemon juice. You got some Mrs. Dash onion, herb, garlic, herb, paprika, and Italian seasoning. You got your mixed peppers that are julienne, by the way. You got some garlic. This time I'm actually using olive oil. I'm gonna add a little bit of lemon pepper, not too much, because you know my spice folks and I just don't tolerate that. Then I'm gonna do some salt and pepper, and I'm gonna use my oil. Well, this is canola oil, but spray just to keep the pan from sticking. And I'm also using some white cooking wine. Oh, let me get a clear bottle right here for reduction, and a little bit of parsley for garnish. And for my seafood people, I'm gonna use shrimp and scallops, but I'm gonna keep that separated because people have allergies. So right now what we're gonna do is we're gonna get, you know, your chicken. So we're gonna put in the pan a little bit. Pan is already hot. So now first we're gonna add your chicken. Put that in there. You salt and pepper it. You got a little bit of lemon pepper, not much. Just not that much. And then we're gonna add a little bit of my mixture because I'm saving the other mixture for the other half for the seafood. So just about that much. And a little bit of olive oil. So we're gonna allow this to fully cook. You already know it's supposed to be fully cooked. And then we're gonna come back for part 2. So here's the aftermath of what the chicken's supposed to look like. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna cut our stove back on. And then next we're gonna add our peppers in. As you can see, the peppers are firmly, you just gotta let them sweat. So we're gonna saute them. I'm gonna get my spatula and let that cook for like not too long because we don't want to like burn them. We just want them to sweat a little bit. I'm cooking everything separate, so that should not take long. And after that, the next is the seafood. So here's my outcome of my pepper's supposed to look like. As you can see, they're still in shape. They're not burnt or anything. So next we're gonna do our seafood. Put this to the side. So now we're gonna just put it in the pan. Seafood does not take long to cook. Make sure it's cooked all the way around through. Also make sure we don't want to burn like the scallops, because scallops they can taste rubbery. So does shrimp. See how it's getting pink already? This is gonna be finger licking good. Oh my gosh. Alright. Alright guys, so here's the outcome. As you can see, those are fully cooked. So now we're going to separate that. Next, we're going to wash this pan out and make our sauce. In there. Next, we're going to add some garlic. We don't want the garlic to burn, so we're just going to... We're going to add a little bit of white wine, cooking wine, barrel wine. So then give that a little now reduction. I'm going to crack you some salt. Pepper. We're gonna add some lemon juice. We're gonna add some olive oil. Gonna stir this thing completely through. And after that, we turn it completely off. Next, we're gonna... Pasta water is boiling. Sorry, cut up my pasta, broke it up in half. And next we're gonna add it to pan. Also, be mindful. Also, put some oil and put some salt in it, because if not, the pasta is gonna stick to the pan. So I just put that in there. That should cook about 8 to 10 minutes. Then after that, we're gonna build and prepare. Let's get into it. Get the chicken. Very good. As you can see, guys, it's very light, refreshing. It's not too heavy. That's why I put, like, you know, olive oil and butter, just for a little bit for flavoring. You know, parsley for top for garnish. But it's just something, a light meal you can have with your family, you know. If you're feeling very pasta night, you could just make simple dish. But if you have, like, seafood allergies, make sure you cook everything separate, you know, for my allergy folks. But thank you guys for watching my video. Like and comment and subscribe below. Got to mention, if you have not already, one Cash App me. The Cash App was Chef BDB. Thank you guys for people who have Cash App me, who have liked my videos, who have shared my videos, who have told me my videos are amazing. I appreciate it. I love doing this. So thank you guys for watching, and that is a wrap.